Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning how to consolidate data from a specific folder. So if you have multiple files in one folder, like I have 4 files here, and you want to append these files below each other and make a consolidated list, how you can do that in Excel without going to individual files, copying and pasting it onto the another Excel file. So let's get started. For this, you need to go to the data tab here. Go to this option which says get data from file and from folder. Once you select this, a window will pop up, so which says the folder path where the files are saved. So I have copied the path. I'll just paste it here. This is not the path. I'll just copy the path and I will paste it here, and I'll click OK. There will be this window which pops up. It tell me how many files are there that will be combined, the name of the files, and some attributes of the files. So I'll click on combine and load. Go to combine and load. This window will pop up. In here there's a table preview which you can see. So you have all these columns in the file, and it will consolidate all these columns. You just need to click OK. So once you click OK, there will be a table that will pop up here. So yeah, now it's here. So if you check the drop down here, you see there are 4 files which are consolidated into one, and all the columns which were there in the 4 files have been consolidated, appended below each other. You can see the 4 files. The main advantage of this option is even if you make any change in the department list here and refresh the data, the data will automatically get refreshed. So let's make some changes. I'll just paste a copy of Jan here and rename it as Feb. Click OK, and let me go to the data and refresh the data. Right click on the data and click on refresh. So once you do that, you see it has been refreshed. I'll just open this, and you see there's a file which has been added here which says Feb. So that's how you can consolidate data from a folder without opening multiple files and pasting it below each other. So you just need to ensure the columns are the same in all the files, and it will get appended automatically using this option. I hope you find this. If you find this function helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.